The paper tube manufacturing industry is currently seeing demand from eco-friendly packaging shifts. These tubes are widely used in paper mills, textile companies, packaging brands, food industries, and e-commerce retailers, making it a business worth evaluating for entrepreneurs interested in industrial manufacturing. The most interesting aspect of this is that this industry also operates on a relatively small scale. But many small setups struggle to generate profit because they underestimate the precise calibration required for consistent tube strength and the intense local price competition. So today we will explore how to start a paper tube manufacturing business on a small scale and the potential investment required, where to get machinery, alternative market opportunities, and risks. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Paper tube business opportunity. The market for paper tubes is growing steadily, both globally and in India, driven by their versatility. Industry demand is expected to remain supported by applications in packaging and textile products. Yes, customized paper tubes are increasingly being used, not only in the textile industry, but also by poster manufacturers, toilet paper manufacturers, adhesive tape manufacturers, artists, and premium packaging. As industries face significant impacts from durable packaging and transportation costs, small manufacturers often turn to local distributors. As a result, new opportunities continue to emerge for regional paper tube manufacturers. A key advantage of this is that the same machine can produce paper tubes in multiple sizes. So you can start a paper tube business on a relatively small or medium scale. Required raw materials and machinery. The primary raw materials for the paper tube business include kraft paper, recycled paper sheets, and industrial adhesives. These materials can be sourced from paper mills, wholesalers, and industrial distributors. Additionally, paper waste from printing presses and packaging sectors can be recycled to facilitate cost-effective production. Commonly used machinery includes paper tube winding machines, cutting machines, adhesive application systems, and finishing equipment. Many machine manufacturers in India offer specially designed machines for specific size requirements online and offline. When purchasing machinery, comparing prices is not enough. After-sales service and the availability of spare parts are equally important. The easy availability of kraft paper and spare parts locally will also help reduce input costs. How much space is needed? For a small or medium-scale paper tube manufacturing unit, a covered area of approximately 1,500 to 3,000 square feet is considered ideal. Since both raw materials and finished products are bulky, the location must be easily accessible by trucks or mini trucks. A stable electricity connection and good ventilation are essential, as controlling humidity levels during the adhesive drying process is crucial. Locating the unit within an industrial estate makes obtaining permits and managing logistics relatively easier. For many entrepreneurs, renting a shed initially is a good option to minimize risk. Business legal compliance. In India, to start manufacturing processes, entrepreneurs must ensure that their business complies with regional laws. For licenses, the first step is business registration. It can be a sole proprietorship or a private limited company. Next, GST registration is generally beneficial, as input tax credit plays a crucial role in B2B transactions within this industry. A trade license from the local municipality may also be required. In some cases, a Pollution Control Board No Objection Certificate or NOC might be necessary. Since pollution control regulations vary from state to state, consulting a local expert is advisable. From a quality perspective, certifications from the Bureau of Indian Standards or ISO enhance credibility. Completing the paperwork in advance helps you avoid unnecessary fines in the future. How much investment is needed? Regarding investment, based on current market pricing for semi-automatic versus fully automated units, setup costs typically fall in the range of 10 to 80 lakhs or more. However, this estimate is for machinery only. You should also budget for working capital, power infrastructure, licensing, installation, and other setup costs, which can significantly increase the total investment that many beginners fail to forecast. It will also be necessary to allocate funds for the initial stock of raw materials, labor costs, and working capital. Many entrepreneurs exhaust their entire budget on purchasing machinery, subsequently facing difficulties in fulfilling customer orders. Therefore, it is advisable to maintain sufficient working capital based on your production cycle and expected payment terms. Paper tube making process. This manufacturing process requires precise calibration. Even minor errors in glue application or drying time can result in high wastage rates. First, craft paper rolls are cut to the required width based on the product specifications for thickness and quality. Next, adhesive is applied to the craft paper strips, which are then fed into a core winding machine. There, multiple layers are wound into a cylindrical shape to form the tube. Once the desired length and diameter are achieved, the tube is cut using a cutting unit or circular saw and left to dry. In the final stage, dimensions, wall thickness and overall quality are inspected before packaging, and the product is packed following a quality inspection. Although the process appears simple, maintaining consistent thickness is a factor that distinguishes experienced manufacturers through their precision. Marketing strategy. For marketing purposes, it is advisable to directly target textile mills, tape manufacturers and packaging, or paper converting companies. Another way to identify potential customers is by searching through industry directories, trade shows, and B2B websites like IndiaMart and Trade India. Distributing sample tubes often yields better results than merely distributing brochures. Intense price competition exists due to the presence of numerous competitors operating on low margins. Therefore, it is better to focus on quality and timely delivery rather than simply seeking the lowest priced supplier. Another point to consider is not to accept large orders immediately, but rather to operate within the limits of your own production capacity. Business challenges and how to avoid them. Like all other businesses, this business also faces various business challenges. For example, if the price of paper unexpectedly rises, it could have a direct impact on profit margins. Overdependence on one or two large customers can create business risk if purchase order decline or payment cycles are delayed. Failure to maintain machines properly can lead to unexpected breakdowns and loss of production. To minimize such risks, it is useful to have multiple distributors. Expanding the customer base and implementing a preventative maintenance plan are excellent strategies to adopt. Finally, product specifications such as strength, wall thickness, and dimensional accuracy should be matched to customer requirements. So friends, for those looking to enter the industrial supply chain sectors, the paper tube manufacturing industry could be an opportunity. However, like any business, proper planning, market research, and efficient operations play a very important role in this too. Before making any investment decisions, carefully evaluate local demand, machinery suppliers, and your own financial resources. This video has been created for educational purposes only. It should not be considered financial or investment advice. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.